Welcome back friends. In today's video, I am going to show you how we can grow papaya tree at home from locally brought papaya fruit. From a single papaya, hundreds of plants can be grown. This plant grows very fast and produces fruit just in a year of plantation. It has a lot of health benefits. We can easily grow them at home, so let's begin. This is the papaya fruit that I have brought from the grocery store. And now cutting the papaya, you can see there are hundreds of seeds inside this papaya fruit. Let me take some seeds out. Here you can see it's very easy to take the seeds out. Now collecting all the seeds, you can see there are hundreds of seeds inside this. Now I have prepared a Ziploc bag and placed a tissue paper inside them, and now placing all the seeds inside that Ziploc bag. So here I placed all the seeds, tighten the Ziploc bag and place it inside this plastic box like that, and keep it in some cool and dry place. After 20 days, you can see some of the seeds have just started growing. It takes a long time for growing, but they start germinating from here. Now placing all those seeds which are germinated in this coco peat. If you want to know what is coco peat, please click the link above. You can see in the description as well. Now placing the coco peat, that cup, inside a Ziploc bag and keeping that in the cool and dry place. After 32 days, you can see number of papaya plants has grown, and you can see they are quite healthy, a bit congested, so I'm going to separate them in different cups. So here I have took some compost and coco peat. If you want to know what is coco peat, you can click the link above or you can see in the description. Now separating the plants, you can see they are growing quite healthy in that coco peat mixer. You can use normal garden soil as well if you do not have coco peat. Now placing 2 or 3 or you can even place 4 plants in a cup. So here I have placed almost 3 plants in every cup and placed them at the side of the window, and they are doing quite good till now. So here after 42 days, you can see those plants have grown quite good. Now I am going to transplant them in a bigger cup so that the plants can grow much longer and taller. So here I have planted them in the cups and gearing up my walk. Now water them thoroughly so that the plants will get enough water, and place them in partial sunlight so that the plants will not be damaged by the hard sunlight. Here after 60 days, you can see the plants has grown remarkably, and now it's the time for the plants to be transplanted. You can see the roots have gone round to the bottom, so it's the time to plant them in the ground. Now planting all the papaya plants in the ground. I have planted 3 or 4 papaya plants at the same place because some of the papaya plants are male. You can only recognize them when they bear flowers only and do not give fruits, and then only you can cut the male plants out, and we need to remove them. Only female papaya plants gives the fruit, so we need to be careful. In the first year of its growth, it already gave a lot of fruits, and here in the second year also it is giving quite remarkable number of papayas. A 4-year papaya plant would look like this. Around 15 to 20 kilograms of papaya can be harvested from a tree. Regarding the fertilizing and health benefits, please visit learnagro.com. Various easy growing plants at home are there in the website. The link is in the description. Please check it. If you have any queries, please comment below. I hope you like my video. Please do share it, give it a thumbs up, and please don't forget to subscribe for more interesting videos. Thank you. See you again.